Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to multiply mixed numbers. So there are a couple steps that we got to do in order to do this. The first thing we must do is rewrite each mixed number as an improper fraction. It will make the multiplication process much easier. The second step we do is multiply. Now there are some tricks that we can use as far as reducing some terms to make the multiplying easier or writing out prime factorizations, but we'll worry about that once we get there. The third step is to write the answer in lowest terms and then change the answer to a mixed number or a whole number where possible. Sometimes we may end up with a whole number answer once we're done multiplying, but the good news is that this step will give us an answer that is in simplest form, so we won't have to worry about doing any more reducing. So let's go ahead and take a look at a couple of examples. The first one we're going to multiply together is 2 1/2 times 3 1/5. First thing we do is rewrite as an improper fraction, denominator times whole number, add numerator. This gives us 5/2. Same thing here, 5 times 3 plus 1 will give us 16/5. Good news is this. I've got a pair of 5s here. These can cancel out, so let's do that. Now I'm left with 16/2. This division results in 8. And that's the final answer, that's it. Another way I could have done this, let me show you this technique here. Had I not taken this shortcut, rewrite it here, 5/2, 16/5. What I could have done is write out the prime factorization of all my terms. Since 3 of my numbers are prime, I only have to worry about writing out 16. So 5, and then 16 is just 2 multiplied by itself 4 times over 2 times 5. And then cancel out any terms that match up top and bottom. 2, 2, 5, 5. And then I'm left with 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8. So either way, I would have gotten the same answer. This just shows you a little bit more of a shortcut. If you're able to cross cancel some terms here, do it. It'll make the simplification process much easier. Let's look at one more. We're going to look at 3 5/8, and we're going to multiply 4 4/5. First thing we'll do is convert. 8 times 3, add 5. That gives me 29 over 8. 5 times 4 plus 4, that gives me 24/5. 29 and 5 are prime. These do not reduce. These can reduce because they're both divisible by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 29 times 3, that's 87. 1 times 5. Most of the time, this can be written as your final answer, but sometimes directions may say to rewrite as a mixed number because we started with mixed numbers. If I perform this conversion of improper fraction to mixed number, keeping that same denominator, I will get 17 2/5. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.